Chittagong, Cox's Bazar and the low-lying areas of the three hill districts have been flooded with incessant rains, landslide and upstream hilly water for the past few days. Millions of people remained marooned. 8 people have been reported dead in flood and landslides. Due to torrential rain, Chittagong-Cox's Bazar highway at Chandmaish has sunken. Road communication between Chittagong, Cox's Bazar and Bandobon districts has remained snapped. Chittagong city, Shatkanya, Lohagara, Patia and Chandmaish are submerged. Millions of people have remained marooned. As the rainfall has started to come down, the flood situation has improved slightly in Bandobon, Khagrachari. However, road communication of Bandobon with rest part of the country has still remained snapped. Many areas are in complete darkness due to uprooting of electric poles and wires. Educational institutions have remained closed. Residential houses and arable lands have been submerged. The flood situation in Rangamati has also taken a worsening turn.
Created using Powtoon.